If you've ever stared at all your bills wondering how the hell you're going to make it through the month, if you've Googled how to make money online more times than you've actually made money online, then stop scrolling. Because this video, this Home Business Academy review, how to make residual income online with affiliate marketing, might be the most important 30 minutes you watch all year. I'm not here to hype you. I'm here to show you how a $25 system, yes, $25, can start stacking $20 a month residual commissions. Even if you're brand new, even if you've never built a team, even if you failed before. Before we dive in, smash that like button like it's your overdue electric bill. Subscribe if you're tired of fluff and want real strategies that actually pay. And drop a comment with your biggest financial goal this month. I read every one. Now, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not guaranteeing income. Your results depend on your effort, your strategy, and your execution. Affiliate marketing is real, but it's not magic. That said, if you're ready to learn, I'll show you exactly how the Home Business Academy works and why it's helping thousands of people finally breathe financially. Now let's talk about the real enemy. Recurring bills, Netflix, groceries, rent, gas, they hit every single month whether you're ready or not. Now imagine this. You refer someone to HBA, you get $20 a month every month they stay. That's your Netflix bill covered. 10 people, that's groceries. 20, that's rent. And you didn't need a massive team. You didn't need to be a guru. You just needed a system that pays you resistantly and to stay consistent. The Home Business Academy is a digital marketing platform built for affiliates. It's simple, affordable, and designed to pay you even if you're not at the $25 level. You get access to a funnel builder, training vault, and plug-and-play systems. But here's the kicker. You can earn commissions on every level, even if you're only at the entry $25 level. That means you're not locked out of income. You're not punished for starting small. Most affiliate programs pay you once, and you make a sale, you get paid, and that's it. But HBA flips the game. You get paid every single month for every person you refer who stays. That's what makes this powerful for beginners. You don't need to chase new sales every day. You build once and it keeps compounding. This is for the person who's tired of starting over. The person who's tried ClickBank, Amazon, dropshipping, and still hasn't seen consistent income. The person who wants something real, affordable, and sustainable. If that's you, hit the like button, because that's what I'm about to show you could change everything. Let's break it down. HBA pays you $20 a month for every $25 a month member you refer. You also get paid on higher levels as you upgrade. That means you can earn from the entire ecosystem. Example, $20 a month times 10 people is $200 a month residually. And it stacks month after month. That's the power of residual income. And here's something that most people miss. A portion of every payment goes to charity. That means every time you earn, someone else benefits too. How cool is that? It's not just about money, it's about meaning. Let's be real. You don't want another guru telling you to grind harder. You want something that works. Something that doesn't feel like selling your soul or your grandma's couch. With HBA, you're not chasing people, you're attracting them with funnels that do the work for you. Now, I want to show you that I actually help my team and I'm actually making money with this system. Learning that can work for any system you want to promote, okay? So, congratulations, you've just earned a $50 Spark Matrix cycle commission. You've also unlocked a new Spark training module, and another Matrix position will be processed shortly. Log into your back office for more details. Thank you, Affiliate Mentor. So I'm going to go to my Affiliate Mentor back office. And I'm going to see, as you can see, that's John Solly, that's me. And there's 6 different people. So I completed my board and I started a new one, just like it said. But notice there's Cheryl Hanna and Bobby Nation, sponsor John Solly. So we're going to go check out Cheryl Hanna. And you can see she's got 2 different people that were referred by me, okay? Same thing with Bobby Nation. He has Kaya Edwards and Vincenzo Prizio. So I'm actually helping my team, and I'm actually making money and ranking with this system by following the training and staying consistent. Now you can too. I'm not special. From the very first video I put out, it ranked on, I think, 3rd and 5th on 2 different separate keywords. And you can do the same thing. And guess what? You can it not only teaches you, but it's going to teach your members too. So getting started is simple. You join, you plug in the system, you share your link, and you start stacking residuals. If you're ready to stop surviving and start stacking, click the link below. Let's build something that pays you month after month, every single month. Like this video if you're tired of one-time teeny itsy bitsy commissions. Comment if you've ever felt stuck financially. Subscribe if you want more videos that actually help you make money online. So you don't need to be perfect. You don't need a massive following. You just need a system that pays you residually and a reason to start. If you've ever felt like you're drowning in bills, if you've ever wanted something that actually lasts, then this is your moment. And I want to show you one more thing, okay? So, attention home business entrepreneurs, you discover the embarrassing truth about how I went from broke, frustrated, and working a 9-to-5 jobs to now banking multiple income streams on complete autopilot without having to sell or pick up the phone. See, notice this isn't a company page, okay? This is built to brand you, okay? And as you can see, I am using HBA, and I've got a lot of different funnels. Let me show you some of them. Give me a second. Maybe I'm not. Oh, that's not it. Okay. Yeah, it's not working, but I'll show you something else real cool. So, how to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours or less. Welcome, new affiliate. Here's the fastest way to start getting paid and move your way up. We want to help you make money before you start spending money. Sound fair? Follow the steps below exactly to the letter and you might get your first 2 sales to break even. Now we cannot guarantee results. Your results will depend on how big your current audience is. People with 5,000 friends may get more leads, but that does not mean your current audience size matters, okay? And this is the way. Now I recommend you use HBA and brand yourself, but if you can't afford to do that at first, here's the link that you can use that will brand you anonymously, and you can earn. This will build any program, and you can start from a $7 income and make $7 one time and make up to $1,500 instant commissions, okay? But again, this is what I promote. I prefer to promote because this will brand you, but it works flawlessly with Simple Freedom Warriors or any other system, okay? It brands you and gives you a funnel like this, okay? Pretty cool, right? Now click the link, join HBA, and let's build your freedom, one $20 commission at a time. This has been my full Home Business Academy review, how to make residual income online with affiliate marketing. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, or making money online, this is the system I recommend, not because it's flashy, but because it works. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep stacking, keep learning, and remember, residual income is the antidote to recurring bills. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay, get with change today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.